Hello, assalamu alaikum to all of you, my dear student. Warmly welcome on the Mixed Tutor platform. First of all, I'm going to share the screen with you. Later on, I will discuss which topics we are going to discuss. When the screen will visible, just inform to me. Is it? Okay. My dear student, we are going to discuss the topic money and banking. I have mentioned all the contents which we will discuss in this chapters. First, understand the forms, functions, and crux of the money, right? Explain the role and importance of central bank and commercial bank. First, I will write down the definitions of money. Then it can be in different forms. I will write down all forms in front of you and I will explain each and every form of the money. Then we will discuss characteristics and qualities also. Okay. So first of all, money is any commodity that can be used. Let me write down the definition of money, right? We can say money is any commodity that can be used as a medium of exchange for the purchase of goods and services. For the purchase of for example, banknotes and coins. Coins. Next, we will discuss forms of money. The money can be in form of cash. It can be in form of bank deposits. Later on, one by one, we will discuss. it can be central bank reserves. Let's talk about the first form, which is cash. Actually, banknotes and coins are a physical form of money. Banknotes and coins are physical physical form of money, while cash is convenient for many transactions, but it is inconvenient and risky to use cash for large transactions. So, means to say the money can be in form of cash. Cash means not only cash, banknotes and as well as the coins. If you will see banknotes and if you will see coins, you can say, oh, this is the physical form of money. We will discuss bank deposits. These are money's reserves placed in commercial banks accounts. This form of money account for the vast majority of all money in modern economies. Commercial bank money is in electronic form rather than physical form. Instead of carrying a large amount of customers, means to say you can say credit cards and debit cards, online bank transferred. This is not a physical form, right? We can call it a debit card, credit card, online bank transfer, ATM cards, etc. So in such typed form of money. The next one is central bank reserves, means these consist of money held by the central bank or used by the commercial bank to make payments between themselves. Like you can say bank deposits, these consist of the money held by used by the commercial banks to make payments. These are the three forms of money. Next, functions of money means on which different transactions we use our money. Functions of where the money can be used, what kind of tasks can be performed by money. So it will be four functions we will write down here. First of all, it will be a medium of exchange. What's the meaning of this one? The first functions of the money is medium of exchange. If I will write down it more easy wording, I can write down first medium of exchange we can explain like this: used to buy and sell goods and services. Used to buy and sell and services. Next, it can be unit of account. What kind of function it is? Unit of accounts means measures the value of goods and services. For example, normally we can call it, oh, this product has a price of $10, $20, $30, $40, or $50. So it's called unit of accounts. Units of accounts means measure the values goods and services. Next, it can be store of value. Store of value means maintain value over time for future use. Means we can store in future. It does not mean that in future it will be useless. last standard of deferred payments. Standard of deferred payments, the payments which we have to pay in futures. We receive the debts from the somewhere and we promise that we will pay in futures. So used to settle debts payable in future. These are the functions of money. So we have discussed forms, functions, and right now we have to discuss some characters of money. So we can say durable. The meaning of this one means money should last a long time without getting damaged easily. Without getting. Next one is portable. Portable means it should be easily to carry and use anywhere. Next, it can be divisible, means it can be split into smaller parts like coins and notes for different prices. Next, uniform. We can say uniformity also. Uniform means all units of money should look and feel the same to avoid confusion. Next one, it can be acceptability. People must trust and accept for buying, and the last one you can say is stable in value also. Its value should not change too much over time. Appreciation and depreciation can happen, but it takes time. Its value should not too much over time. So it was all about money, where we discussed form of money, functions, and characteristics of money. So next we will discuss central bank and its function, and then we will discuss commercial banks. And so here, first of all, I will take a start. Central bank. A central bank actually is the main financial institutions of the country that manage money supply, control inflations, and regulates other banks also. We can say A central bank is the main financial institution of a country that manages money supply, controls inflation, and other banks. So let me write down the functions of the first functions and the most important function of the central bank is issue of currency. Prints and distributes the national currency. Next functions is monetary policy, control inflations and lender to banks, provide loans to commercial banks, foreign exchange control, manage foreign currency, and exchange rates. Government's banker, government's bankers means manage accounts and transactions of the government. The next one you can say maintain financial stability. Manage accounts. Okay. Maintain financial stability means that keep the banking system safe and stable. This one was all about central bank. So let's talk about commercial bank also. Commercial bank is also a financial institute. Institute that accepts deposits deposits, offers loans, and provide other banking services to the public. So these are some functions. First one, accepting deposits. Means it will keep the people's money safe, providing loans, gives loans to individuals and businesses, credit creation, creates money through lending, agency services, pays bills, collects checks, for customers. The last one is financial services. Offers ATM, online banking, lockers, etc. My dear student, it was all about money and banking. Under the head of money, we discuss the definitions, forms, qualities, and functions of the money. Then we discuss definition of central bank and the functions of the central bank. And then we discuss the commercial bank definition and functions of the commercial bank. Thank you very much, my dear student. Take care.